Alright guys, we are back. Quick video. Ugh. Just got back into town probably sometime this week. I've been dealing with some family issues. Some family issues that I can't really disclose. But on other news, finally got my tires on because I went out of town to Texas over towards Wichita Falls to pick up something that I had won on auction, which we'll get to that in a second. And my two front tires decided that they were gonna break a belt. That's what I get for buying used tires. So the new set is a 305 65/18. They're like a 33 by 1250 maybe. I love these tires so far. They're just basic tire, but they're very, very nice, really nice. I can't talk at all today. Today was not the day for me to be filming this. Main thing is that I actually picked up a welder. It is a, well, the sun's like super bright so you can't really see. It is a 71 Lincoln sa200 black face, but it is copper wound. It welds, runs great. I literally did absolutely nothing besides put it on the truck and clean out the fuel system. It already had a lot of the stuff done to it so far. I still got to get a new choke cable for it. This one's just really short. I'm sure y'all can't even see in there, but yeah, it's picked it up dirt cheap from auction because it was on a trailer. I sold the trailer, made most of the money back. I wasn't thinking this thing was gonna run at all, nothing like that. When I picked it up, it had 70 hours on the hour meter. The brushes, everything, all the exciter, the whole 9 yards, shows absolutely no wear to it. It's been owned by an energy company its whole life and literally sat on that same trailer, and they've rarely used it. So this is, I've already got marked out where gauges are gonna be going and stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna chop this machine or just kind of keep it the way it is. But let's see if it'll crank up. I haven't fired it up since I got back, so I can get this stupid choke cable pulled. Ah! I definitely gotta pick up a new one of those. Okay, I lied. I put the switches and push button up front. And this is the flag that was on the bed of the truck. Turning the fuel on. It runs good, but it's probably gonna make me lie if it doesn't crank up. There we go. It didn't make me lie. It took a minute though. You definitely tell it was cold. But yeah, it's got a little bit of a cough to it that I gotta get out. I haven't really figured out what that is yet. From what I've been researching online, it could be something with the valves or just something. The carb's new, like the whole car is brand new. So I know it's not with the fuel system on it. New plugs, new plug wires, new oil filter, whole 9 yards. So I'm thinking about just running a can of seafoam through it and seeing what it'll do. I've burned a few rods with it so far and it welds perfect. So, but I just want to kind of shoot a quick video, well, semi-quick video with the tires and the welder. So, yeah, I got the leads in the back of the truck. You gotta excuse the mess. We're gonna shut this off for now. Got the leads for it in the back of the truck, and there's an extension cord on top of them. Well, I don't have all the leads. I only have 100 foot worth in the back of the truck right now. I had it on the bed of the truck, but there was somebody running through our neighborhood deciding to steal stuff, so I didn't want them running off with it. And I doubt they're gonna be able to pick up a 1,300 pound welder that's welded to the bed. On the video I posted of the bed also, there was a gentleman that said that the headache rack kind of looked a little dinky. And now that he's kind of brought that to my attention, it does look, I wish I would have came kind of straight up and over, or came up with a full actual rack. The reason I did the short rack is because of there was a sticker right there. The reason I did the short rag is because I was wanting to be able to see out of the bed of the truck and be able to kind of see the tail end of the bed. Because a lot of times I had like meters and stuff and other shit on the bed of the truck, so. But, oh well, it's covered up by a welder now, so. And this isn't, it had no doors on it, so I just slapped the flag on there. Because you know, America up in the stove. But, I guess it's on to the next one, old son. On to the next video that I'm gonna shake the shit out of and mumble, so. Let me know what you guys want to see with the welder, whether if you want to see me welding with it or what. I do need to, I got a mountain toolbox, oxygen, acetylene tanks, all the welding rack and stuff. I'm actually gonna build welding leads, and I will actually film that when I build that because I have the plans drew up already. So that is soon to come. I just gotta get more moolah. But alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. Let me know what you think about the welder and the bed and the truck and the tires and whole 9 yards. Just, yep.